Here we are in Nairobi. It's the first day of UNEA5.2, and we are, of course, meeting at a time of global turmoil. It's very important, therefore, that UNEA works, that we get to show the world that multilateralism can provide answers. People have come from all over the world, more than 3,000 delegates, but there are also people who are connected in a hybrid fashion, all concerned about the triple planetary crisis, the crisis of climate change, the crisis of nature and biodiversity loss, and the crisis of pollution and waste. Today was also the day when the IPCC issued the new report, a report that focuses on the imperative of adaptation, because even now at 1.1 degrees we are seeing a massive disruption of nature. So the question really is, as the wind are blowing here in the nighttime in Nairobi, how can we keep taking nature for granted? Here in Nairobi, we've had discussions on sustainable oceans, we've had discussions on the decade of ecosystem restoration, and we've seen member states come together and agree that yes, we need to find a pathway to an intergovernmental negotiating committee to end plastic pollution. So watch this space, we'll see how it fares here at UNEA in beautiful Nairobi.